Hey makers, it's Mel. Today on Maker's Moments, I'm going to teach you how to prevent your soap loaf layers from separating. If you've made layered soap before, you know that it's no easy feat. It can be disheartening to come to the end of your hard work only to have your beautiful layered loaf fall apart during the cutting process. Well, if that's been the case for you, today is your day, my friend. There are 4 simple and effective secrets to ensuring that your layered loaf doesn't flop. The first is rubbing alcohol. Whenever you're making soap, whether it's melt and pour, cold, or hot process, you'll want to have a small spray bottle of alcohol handy. Our frosted bottle with spray top and sugarcane alcohol will do the trick. Not only does it eliminate bubbles, but spritzing your soap layer with alcohol immediately before pouring your next layer really helps glue the two together. The second is allowing your layers to cool completely between pours and making sure the entire loaf is fully set before cutting. This not only ensures that your colors don't mingle, but it gives your layers ample time to bind and harden, making for a smooth and easy cut. The third is using a really sharp knife or soap cutter. If you don't have a soap cutter, grab your sharpest cleaver or chef's knife to ensure a smooth, easy cut. The smoother the cut, the better the layers will stick together. The fourth is cutting the soap loaf on its side against the layers rather than top down through the layers as they were poured. This helps the layers bind together in an opposite direction, further ensuring that they stay intact. If you follow these 4 simple tips, you're on your way to having perfect layered soap bars every time. Now that you know how to prevent your loaf layers from separating, we can't wait to see what you create. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest Makers tips and tricks. Happy making!